Hi there, it's Umesh Kotka, and today I'm going to be talking about some scanf and scanf related to stuff, and also talking about how to take input from the user as a whole sentence as a string, and how to print this kind of stuffs. So let's start it. So this is my C program. I am doing this C program in my code block. The link will be provided in the description box. So I assume that all of you knows familiar with C program, and if you don't know, then stop this video and going to see our C program videos. Okay, so this will be my header file include storage, and this is my main function, and here my is a variable t which data type integer type, and scanf function, and I'm basically asking for the asking from to the user to enter any values to assign that t. Okay, let's build and run this. Okay, let's page 54 final. So okay, let's take a string, like we know string is a character of array, so take a str and size, anything size, let's say 20, and to take a string as argument, sorry, from the user, we have to use person s and assign that value to str. Okay, sorry, person s, my mistake. Okay, so okay, return anything, my name. So it takes a string as my name, and simply assign it to the str, my string. So okay, do something more, my name. So now I'm going to enter my full name. Hold on, it take only my first name, and did not take my second name. Okay, so what basically it did, this person is basically did whenever user press the space button, it simply terminate the program or says okay, stop scanning that string, we are already done. The space button has a terminate point. So, in some cases in future, so you have to take a whole sentence or whole something more paragraph you as input from the, you have to take from the user. And so the basically what should we do? So there's a lots of things to do. Some of them are doing do getters function. Getters a very good function, but has a problem with getters. Whenever you use for getters function, it will also show you some buffer overflow warning. And also there is a function is called getChar function. GetChar, it takes a character from the is only a character like a b c d, and also you can use, there's a lots of things to take a whole sentence as argument. So you can use also a while loop, while there is any character type variable not equals to the new line or space or null character. So if I press null character slash 0, so whenever you press the space button, it simply terminates the program. But whenever use that function or new line, so whenever user press the enter button for new line, it simply terminates the program. So you can use that, but that's a good thing in scanf function. You can use that, and it's seriously, it's a very good thing. Okay, to just look at this and function. So I did nothing, lots of changes in this function. I just changed the third brackets and this kind of stuff. So basically it does the tells compiler until the user press enter button, So please start continue scanning. So here the termination is enter button. Sorry. Okay, so let's build and run. Suppose I love coding. I love coding. Wow, spindly. But in this scanf function, we have a problem with this. Okay, let's see. We are here for you to solve any problem. Person D, and let's assign values into T. We already declared this person D. Okay, person. Sorry, we have to first and to. Okay, let's print this value. Sorry, person D, and for new line, person S, and here. Sorry. Okay, so this is my problem. I'm just talking out. Okay, for any integer 65, let's suppose. Wait, hold on. How's it is? It did not take the it did not take the string as a input. So here basically what happened, whenever user press after these steps to enter any integer, okay, integer, then mostly user we are pressing enter button. So our GCC compiler first so quickly that that enter button, where user press that enter button is as a it the compiler takes this enter button as its the second strings argument. So we have nothing to change, just put a space. So now they are now going to press this. Nothing going to change. Okay, let's 66 and I love coding. Successfully built 66 and I love coding. So this this basically happens with to take a input from the user, and using this function you can take a whole sentence from the user, and it's a very useful thing to use. And okay, that's about it. Stay with us, and in this tutorial series, you can learn a lots of things related to things. And I'm also going to tell about how to make your code more flexible, how to make your code more reliable. This kind of this kind of things. And okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.